Hello, Fifth Hour. Just giving you a quick update on what's ahead this week. Nothing new, really. Just AP live review, DBQs, same old, same old. Please make sure you get the DBQs done and turned in on time so I can grade them and get them back to you with the feedback that you need to be successful. And if you need to make those changes, if you have questions about anything, reach out to me. You don't have school Monday, so you've got two things due Tuesday. One is your DBQ, which we would have talked about in our chat, which is going to be just about a half hour from when I'm recording this. Second thing due on Tuesday is another AP Live review for Period 5, which covers Manifest Destiny and Sectionalism. Wednesday, there's Period 5, 1860 election and the Civil War. Thursday, Reconstruction. Those are all AP Live videos. And then I'm going to give you some stuff for Period 6. We're going to have to skip over that. That's that kind of 1870 to 1898 period. And then do Monday, May 11th, the same week as the AP test, which is May the 15th, is going to be the first Period 7 video, which is Imperialism and Progressivism. The DBQ that's due on Tuesday of this week covers Period 4. It's evaluate the extent to which economic, social, and political developments in the period 1800 to 1844 fostered change in America. Again, we're going to talk about that in our chat. The DBQ I'm assigning for this week covers 1840 to 1898. So it kind of covers Period 4, 5, and 6. Evaluate the relative importance of different factors that cause the U.S. to expand westward. Relative importance means what's more important, what's less important. Questions that you have for the test, please let me know. Do not, not ask a question about the test day because that's going to be here before you know it. We'll be talking about that in our chat. So hope you guys are doing well and that you have a good week. Take care.